Welcome students, I'm your commerce teacher Gurpreet Usan. In my previous video, we discussed the meaning of journal and its feature. Now, today we discuss the first entry. The name of the entry is opening entry. Now, what is opening entry? In the beginning of each year, that means starting of each year, every firm starts its new book. In this book, the closing balance of the previous year that means last year, have to be carry forward to the next year. So, the first entry of each year is recorded the previous balance of various assets, liabilities and capital as appearing in the balance sheet of the previous year. The first entry of every year is known as the opening entry. It is passed by debiting all the assets and credit all the liabilities as well as capital. Students, if the capital is not mentioned in the question, that time we find the capital and using the accounting equation. Now you can see the accounting equation. Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Second case, if the capital is given, that time the balancing figure is the debit side, then it is called the goodwill account. First, we draw the pro forma of journal entries. In this pro forma, we draw the 5 different columns. First is date, second is particulars, third is LF, fourth is debit, and the last one is credit. We already discussed these headings in my previous video. First, you can see the question. Some assets and liabilities are given. Sorry students, I forget mention the year. Let's start the solution. First, you can mention the year, month and date. In the date column, 1st January 2019, the first is cash in hand. You can write only cash account debit and the amount is 6,000. The next item is cash at bank. You can write only bank account debit and the amount is 7,500. The third item is building account debit and the amount is 22,000. The next is plant account debit. The amount is 6,700. The next is amount due from Rajiv. You can write only Rajiv account debit and the amount is 7,200. The last is Bablu account debit and the amount is 2,700. Now the turn is liabilities. All the liabilities are credit. The first is loan from Sahil account and the amount is 10,000. The next item is bills payable to bills payable account and the amount is 2,500. In this question you can see that the capital is not given, so that's why we use the accounting equation assets is equal to capital plus liability. Now we write the narration. Narration is very important part in the journal entries. If any student do not write the narration, sometimes the teacher deduct the marks. Being opening balance brought forward. Now the total of all the assets. The total of the asset is 52,100. We deduct 2 items. First is 10,000 and the second is 2,500. Now the capital is 39,600. You can see In this question, the capital is not given. So we find the capital and use the accounting equation. I hope students you like this video. If any doubts relating to the journal entries, then please comment.